In this example, we want to find the dot product of two different pairs of vectors. The first pair consists of the vector u, given in component form as 3, 5, 2, and the vector v given in component form as -1, 3, 0. The second pair of vectors are p, given as 10i minus 4j plus 7k, and q, given as -2i plus j plus 6k. For our first pair, we have u dot v. We're going to multiply the corresponding components together and then add up all of the products. Here we have the first components are 3 and -1, so we have 3 times -1. We add to that the product of the second components, 5 times 3. And we add to that the product of the third components, 2 and 0. So here we have -3 plus 15 plus 0, and this is 12. So our dot product of u dot v is going to be 12. In part B, we have two vectors expressed using the standard unit vectors, but the calculation is still the same. We're going to do p dot q by multiplying together the appropriate components and then adding those products together. So our I component here would be 10 times -2. We'll add to that the j components, the product of the j components, which will be -4 times 1. And we'll add to that the product of the k components, which is 7 times 6. So here we end up with -20 minus 4 plus 42, and this ends up being 18. So our dot product of p times q is going to equal 18. Now we want to find u dot v, where u is the vector with components 2, 9, -1, and v is the vector with components -3, 1, -4. You can pause the video and try this example yourself, then resume the video to see the solution in a few seconds. The dot product of vectors u and v will be the number that we get by calculating 2 times -3 plus 9 times 1 plus -1 times -4. That would be -6 plus 9 plus 4, or 7. So the dot product of u and v with these given vectors u and v would be 7.